If you're a teenage girl with big dreams, you're not alone. Many of us have aspirations that light up our hearts and minds. But how do we turn those dreams into reality? Then you need to hear this. It's time to take control and make those dreams happen. Ready to organize your life and crush your goals? Let's get started. Organization is the key to unlocking your potential. It's easy to dream big, but it takes effort and strategy to make those dreams come true. But dreams don't come true without action. The secret? Creating a system, a plan of daily and weekly actions that lead you straight to success. Systems are the backbone of achievement. First, reflect on what's worked for you and others in the past. Understanding your past successes can guide your future actions. Trying to save money? Think about the times you've been successful with your finances. Remember when you nailed that budget? Maybe you tracked expenses meticulously or set clear financial goals or skipped those impulse buys. Every small decision adds up over time. Research what others have done and combine their strategies with yours. Learning from others can provide new insights and techniques. Automate whatever you can, like setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, like having 10% of every paycheck sent directly to your savings. Easy, right? Automation takes the effort out of saving, sent directly to your savings. Easy, right? It's a simple step that can make a big difference over time. Dreaming of healthier eating habits? It's all about making small, consistent changes. Clean out that junk food and replace it with nutritious options. Clean out that junk food and download a meal planning app. Small, repeatable actions are the goldmine here. Consistency is what turns habits into a lifestyle. And download a meal planning app. Small, repeatable actions are the goldmine here. These actions build up over time to create significant change. Let's say you want to save $1,000. Break it down into manageable steps. Skip those daily coffees and transfer $50 into savings weekly. It's about making small sacrifices for bigger rewards. Skip those daily coffees and transfer $50 into savings weekly. Small changes can lead to big results. And transfer $50 into savings weekly. Want to lose weight? It's all about consistency and planning. Want to lose weight? Set a realistic exercise routine and stick to it. Exercise 30 minutes on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and make it a non-negotiable part of your schedule. And plan your meals in advance. Consistency is key. Planning ahead makes it easier to stick to your goals. Remember, a system keeps you moving even when motivation fades. Systems are your safety net. Goals give you direction, but systems keep you on track. But systems make it all manageable. Build systems that work, and you'll achieve more than you ever thought possible. Build systems that work, and you'll achieve more than you ever thought possible. Systems turn dreams into achievable steps than you ever thought possible. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting for the perfect time. There's no better moment than now to start. Start now and watch your dreams turn into reality. Every journey begins with a single step, affirmation. I am committed to my systems and strategies. Believe in yourself and the process. To my systems and strategies. With dedication and the right systems, anything is possible.